to the Arcus help channel. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at how to copy and paste text into and out of a Linux virtual machine over an SSH connection. To do so, head on over to an available deployment run with a Linux virtual host. If you'd like to review this process for a Windows virtual machine, follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. One way to create and edit files over an SSH connection is by using the vi command. In this case, I am creating a new file, which will contain the entirety of the Gettysburg Address. Now, once you have created this file, select the I key. This will put you in insert mode. Now grab the text you would like to copy and paste. Hold down Ctrl-Alt or Ctrl-Option on a Mac, then press Shift. This will open the on-screen clipboard. Paste the text as you normally would. Close it and right-click. Now select the Escape key and type :WQ. This will essentially save your file and quit. To learn more about the VI editor, we've included a helpful little cheat sheet in the description down below. And to copy-paste text out of your virtual machine, select some text and right-click on it, and it will appear in the text box at the top of the virtual clipboard, allowing you to use it outside of your virtual machine. If you have any questions or if you would like to learn more, feel free to check out the links in the description, which will take you to our support page, our help site, and our YouTube channel. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.